Hey guys, on live on stream today, we took three trades, two in our favour. Uh, Imperial, this one was Imperial Petroleum. We made 1800 on that, and we made 19 over 1900 on Wave Energy. We also traded AGRI live on stream, but we made a bit of a loss on AGRI, so we were closing the stream down. I think we were around $2,000 in green. So we were good on the day, but Agri had kind of faked us out a little bit. So I came back and I made a trade, which I'm going to go in more detail just a second. I recorded it, and you can watch that. So I saw that Agri was about to break out at a high of day. So I jumped in with big size for a quick scalp, and it turned into a really good few minutes trading for me, and we finished the day 9,388 up. So watch the trade, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'll be back trading tomorrow, and join me 2 hours before market open. Okay, so I just finished streaming, and I'm come back to Agri, and I'm looking at this break of 350. It's really approaching it quickly, so I just want to see it break 350. Maybe jump in there with a good size, and ride it up to the higher day, which is 360. So we're looking for a 10 cent move. Looking for that break of 350, and then a potential 10 cent move up to 360. That's what we were looking for previously, and when we got in here. But it didn't actually move, and it went against us. So the break of previous high, which was 350, we got in here for the break of it rejected. We went up, tried again, and then went up for a third time. It broke, and then it went up to 360, and we didn't take profit. So that was a bit silly of us. So that's why we averaged down here, and then got out here. So I just want to see the break of 350, and if we break 350, I think we will pop to 360 this time. Getting quite a lot of volume. Oh, 350 was resistance for a while. We're getting resistance levels at every 10 cents. So I want to see it 350. I just put a stop order in there at 350. 0.51. I'll put 25. It break. Okay, I want to see it break 350. So 351, and we'll just buy the 25,000 shares. And if it breaks that, I'm looking to ride it up. And there we go. 360 is what I'm looking for there, not 345. So we got filled at 355 instead of 351. So we've got a bad fill there. That's not good. But want to see this retesting the high of 360. I think we can break the 360 level. It might go up and test it a couple of times, but I'm just going to hold this for the break of 360. So this is what we're looking for here. So we're still got 325 is the risk, 25% risk. Moving up, I think we could potentially break the 360, and if that's the case, I'll take some profit at 360. That's the previous day's high, and I think we'll get an influx of volume if we break 360. So looking for 360. Might test it a couple of times, getting the volume coming in there, but these session highs, high of day, we're going up there to test it again. Get rejected. I don't want to see it pull all the way back to $3 again like it did before. 310s, I think it was. So here, just want to see up, Break 360. Do we have the volume? Yes, we have the volume. I'll take a little bit off there. No, I won't. So, like, and there's enough there. Coming back now. So we're back in. We're back in the green. Me playing around with my montage. I should have used the hotkeys. Playing around with my montage just basically cost me the best part of $1,000. But there you go. So now looking for is I see this up around 370s. Take a bit more at 370. There we go. So now we're 2,800. We're approaching where we were beforehand. We're a little over $3,000 before we entered this trade, so we're pretty much back at that now. And we're still 10,000 shares in here as well. So just going to take another piece off, and we're all good. We're green on the day. So went in big for the break of highs of all the day's highs, and the idea was that we're going to be taking scalping the move upwards. Now I've got 5,000 shares. Only 5,000 shares at 375. So what's that? $18,000 in the trade. So even if you've got a small account and you've got 4 times leverage, if you've got $5,000 in this, you could have been in this one for 5,000 shares anyway. So let's see what we can make on this. So we're currently watching this fall. We wanted to see it above, pulling back, see it above 350. Made those all-time highs. We're still in a profitable position. Our average buy price is 355, and we're doing well. Holding around 360. We're getting support and resistance every 10 cents on this particular ticker, which is after 360 there was none. So it was blue skies for a little while. I mean, you had to go back literally months since we were up at this level before. Since we were last up at this level, so we're at 5,000 shares. If we can break for 375 again and hold this time, the quarter, half, and whole dollar levels are all psychological levels. So 375 is a bit of a psychological level, which is why we would have found the resistance there instead of at the 370 level. 375, and then from 375, there's no reason why we can't go up and try and tap. We can't go up and try and tap the $4 level. If it breaks below 355, we've done our job here. We've recovered the gains we lost, and we're all good. We're all good on the day. So $3,500, all good on the day. Right now, our exit is 355. Being support at like 357. Touch that. Well, the 360 level, all the 10-cent levels on this ticker are acting as key support and resistance levels. It's every 10 cents. And now we're just over 10 at 370, 375 again. We'll see it break this time and then up towards 380, 385. We've got a cushion on this ticker right now, so I don't mind holding this. If it pulls back, we'll have another go as long as we don't break below 360 now. If it breaks below 360, I'll just cut my losses. There aren't any losses. I'll just be happy with the gains. So we lost on this ticker for a little while, and then we just made it back. So we got to be happy with the day's trading so far. So we're trying to 375 again, that quarter dollar level. There we go, and we push on beyond 390. I see 380, 390. I'm just holding the 5,000 shares. Okay, 5,000 shares. We're now in and around 375. If it pulls back to 360, that's us done with this trade. We're at all-time highs. 380 is all-time highs. Just broke all-time highs again. Well, at all-time highs, 12-month highs. We have to go back last year before it was at this level previously. Look at it on the weekly chart. It had a run in November, but prior to that, it was at this level August. So 6 months before we were at this level, and $4 is a psychological level. The $4 will be a real test. Can we break through $4? Like I said, we've got a cushion on this now. 500 up on this one ticker. We're 3,500 on the day. So all well and good. Market has been very sideways today, very choppy, difficult to trade with the gappers that have been moving. This really popped out of nowhere, and my scanners, because I don't scan for anything under $3. That's kind of my cutoff. So when it popped up, it was 100% up on the day. It's now 120% up on the day. So when it popped up, it started the day off down at kind of uh, finished yesterday 160s, $1.60s. So it started the day off today around $2.10. So my scanner wouldn't have picked it up, and I purposely set it that way because I don't get any leverage on anything under $2. So that's why I've set it for a minimum of $3. Now I've got a starting equity today was $64,000. So a $3 stock, I could effectively take 25,000 shares. That's not a problem, without actually needing any buying power. Now between $3 and $4, between $2 and $4, I'm getting 2x. So the buying power that I had, I could have taken 40,000 shares if I needed to. But going in big for the break of high of day and then just scaling out is a good strategy to have when you've got stocks of this particular size, business particular value. As long as you get the follow through, you're always going to make profit. You need to be sure you're getting the follow through. So it's important these volume candles, these volume bars on the histogram don't give you that confirmation that what you're getting is good follow through. Now we're coiling under the 380 level. I did say that every 10 cents is proving to be a resistance level. We're coiling. There we go. There's a break. Can we get up to 390? Right now, I'm just sitting watching this, riding this up with 5,000 shares. If we get over $4, then I'll look at adding to my position. Our current buy price is average cost is 355, so I potentially could add to the position if it pulls back. I'll look for an entry point to add to the position and add another 5,000. That's what I'm looking for. I want to see up there and test the $4. I've got all these levels already pre-drawn from the last time when I was trading it back in November. So $4 being a resistance area there. So I'm looking for a little entry pullback. I can potentially get in for adding another 5,000. There's no entry point there at the moment. So we're going to break four. Break four, I'll buy in again at 4 because at 8's high of day, but it's that key psychological level. It's a double zero. It's a whole dollar level, and it's high of day as well. So break of 4 should come with a bit of volume. So I can take me out. Take me out. Not happy with that. Take me out. So let's go try it again. Try it again. Oh, the wick form above the $4, and I bought in and it faked me out. Typical. But Just want to see this up, break through $4. Now our average buy price is 377, so that's our new exit. So wherever we are in this trade, as soon as we break even, we're getting out. I want to see this break $4 now. We're hitting a bit of a resistance wall, a bit of a seller wall there at $4. But let's go up for the third time, fourth time, whatever. See if we can't break the $4 mark. I will get out at 380 if it pulls back that far. Made good money on this today. As far as I'm concerned, I don't want to start giving profits back to the market. I don't mind it pulling back to kind of 385s and then going retesting the $4 and breaking through. That's really what I'm looking for, the break of $4. I think we'll see a bit of a surge and a run after $4. A lot of people will start, trading this. A lot of people have the cutoff minimum share price of $4. So if this breaks $4, then we potentially could see a bit of a run. It's had a big run now already. I mean, we're 130% up on the day. So that's a good run by anyone's standards. But don't want to be giving any, let's say, profits back to the. See this retest $4. Retest of $4. Be nice. Okay, so we're just 380s, 386, 389. It's late 380s is what we're doing. So as long as it doesn't break 385, we're not getting any lower lows. So I'm going to get out at 380 if it falls below that. It touched 380. Like I said, we've seen support and resistance on the 10-cent levels on this stock for the last while, and it's found it just bounced at 380, and it's gone back. It's now up in the 390s again, and we may be going to test the $4 again. So will we get the break of $4 that I'm after? That's 395, 397. You're testing my patience, AGRI. Come on. This is fun. This is a fun day. A fun day's trading. Okay, so we're back above 390. We're kind of holding 390. We dipped below it down to 380 at one stage. As I say, we've got want to be testing. We want to get over $4. That's the goal. I bought in for the break of $4 and it's faked me out, but I'm still holding that position. I've got 10,000 shares at the moment at 390. My last buy-in was just over $4. It got filled at just under $4, about 396 actually. So that's not too bad. So don't mind it coiling under $4 and then going up and retesting. So 385 is the line in the sand. 380 is what I don't want it to fall below, and that's our exit point. So I'll be getting out of this one at 380. So if it falls below 380, I'm kind of done with this trade. I've made the money back that we lost an hour ago. But if it breaks $4, I'll continue to trade it. Sometimes when you get the momentum, you've got to ride it. And if it moves back up, we're going to retest it again for the sixth time on the 1 minute. Try and retest it for the sixth time. Will it break on the sixth time? $4. That's the magic number. Went back down to kind of 382s. In the 380s. I want to see it in the 390s testing the $4. That's what I want to see. Otherwise, exit. There we go. We get it. Gone below the 380. So that for me is a bit bearish in terms of lower lows now. So we'll just exit there. And we'll stay, 3,200 on the day. So that last trade was it was a winning trade, but we had to cut our loss at break even on the last piece. So we've gone from 1,000, just over 1,000 down to 300 up on the day with this ticker. That's good. Now the next entry point for me, as I say, is that break of $4. I'm not going to be buying back in unless we get a break of $4, and I'll buy in with big size. If we break $4, I'm happy to buy in with big size and scalp it quick. So we broke it once, got faked out. That's when I added to the position, but we had a good cushion from down here when we entered um, for the break of the $0.50, and we're in a good spot on this ticker. So we've got a cushion. It's now selling off, so maybe it is done for the day. Let's see if it comes all the way back down to 360 and then turns around 375, 360. See that we're on these levels on before. These are key milestone levels for this 325, 360, 401. This is what it was trading at previously, and where I managed to trade it profitably previously. So I don't. I'm not going to disrespect those levels if it's respected them previously. This is the final trade. Okay, that's me done for the day now. Okay, so that was so we're just getting a little breakout. So yeah, maybe we will go back and test the 385s now. So maybe we will go back and test the $4. My entry here is $4. If pulls back too far, obviously I'm not going to trade it, but I'm just going to watch this for the break of $4. If it does finally break $4, then I'm going to take another trade. I'm just watching. It's up at testing 390s. And I know this is going on a little bit too long, but this is the way it goes. Sometimes you just got to be patient and wait for your setup. I'm waiting for this break of highs, and I don't want it to fake me out. So 405 is the high of 404 is the high of day. So I'm just going to set a stop order or stop buy order for 405. Okay, so if it breaks 405, then I'm in there with a good size, and straight away I'll just take some quick profits. So just watching at 395, 392. It's coming all the way back up. It's having another retest. Well, this consolidation under $4, I can understand it. It's the whole dollar level. It's it's the higher day, whole dollar level. There's a lot of resistance there. There's a bit of a seller wall. So if we break it, we will break it with momentum. So going in at 405, the previous high of day is 404. So going in at 405 means that momentum it needs to break $4. I want to see it push on through and into 405. It allows me to buy in there up towards 410, 415. And if we get that, it could be very interesting from that point on. But what I really want to see is it break 4 and hold 4. So here we go. Let's see. So we just tested 4. It was rejected at the first at this attempt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts at $4 now, and it was rejected again. So patience This is what we're looking for here. I mean, this is essentially it's a flat top for me. We've got a little bit of a U, a little bit of pullback on occasions. Not like every candle is tapping the $4. Some are actually pulling back further than others, but we're going to go up and try it again, I think. And if not, then fine, we'll get out. So this is where we're finishing for the day, or are we going to get this $4 breakout? Yeah, it's not making its mind up. This is where the volume is 102 million shares, 103 million shares traded today on AGRI. Oh, huge, huge opportunity. Which is the volume is. This is where the volume is. 103 million shares traded already, and it's like 500,000 shares normally. Yeah, 500,000 shares normally traded on a given day. It's 104 million today. That's madness, absolute mad action. So yeah, we're just looking for just trying again. Up at the late 390s, we'll try again. Test the $4 level. Can we break it this time? Go fours. I see it break 4. There we go. I didn't even get filled. Well, that's a good job because it pulled back. Go figure. Didn't get filled. Gonna leave the gonna leave it there though. That's what it did last time. It faked me out. I added to my position. I had the cushion then. But the high of this candle was, and I'd set the order for 405, just didn't get filled. But the high of this candle was 408. So we're back up to fours. And let's see it. Stay above 4. There we go. We're in. Okay. So now we're in. We want to see it retest. I want to see it pull it back. I want to see it test 410s. 410, 420. So we're in for 25,000 shares. Big size, huge size. But I want to see, because $4 is very psychological. If it breaks $4, we should see more traders coming in trading it. We should see a bit more upwards movement. We may see some people taking profits at $4, but there should be more people feeling bullish about this now. And we've got $3,000 cushion, so I'm prepared to risk my gains on the day on this. So at this moment in time, I want to see it stay above $4. Above $4. But if we lose 10 cents on this, that's what, 2,500. So there we go. There we go. That's nice. That's nice. 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 Take a bit off. Okay, so we just made about $1,000 there. That one. Now we've got a cushion on the day, so we've got the cushion on this, so we're now 1,400 up, close to 300 up. And I want to see this happen, break 420 and up to 425s. Still big on this. We're still 15,000 shares. So just gonna take a little bit of profit here. Huge, huge, huge move for me. That's just 5,000 shares taken off. Still got 10,000 shares in there. Still got 10,000 shares in there. We've got moving up. I want to see it up at 450. Break of $4 was huge. I did say the psychological $4 level was huge. We tried it a couple of times, but now we're up at 440s. We just that one candle from $4 to 440. Now we're testing 450. Now we're testing 450. Our buy price is our average buy price is 405. So I'm okay. I'm okay to keep now taking profits and adding. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit off there. I'm at 5,000. I'm going to go in 5,000 blocks now. Add and take away. Add and take away. That's essentially what I'm going to be doing. So next pullback, I'm going to add another 5,000. I'll see it hold at 520. Oh, high of that candle was 449. So 450. We can add at 450 for the break of 450. Our buy price is 405, so we've got huge cushion there for a pullback if necessary. But I want to see the buy. I want to see the break of 450 with some volume. Break of 450, and there we go. Oh shit! What kind of a fill was that, guys? That was a really bad fill. 474. Right, okay, 470. Gonna look at 470s, 470, 475. So my average is 435. So I don't want to keep pulling back too much. A really bad fill there. Terrible fill. The order went in its so at 464, I think. 465. Double check that on the logs later. Oh, still got a good buy price at the minute. So my buy price is 435, and currently in the 450s. So we've got a 20-cent cushion, and that's to break even. A 20-cent cushion onto break even. That's happy with that. Let's move up and test 470 again. Move back up. Oh, up, not down. Still got a 20-cent cushion to our break even. I want to see this back up at 475 is where I would normally add, but I'm gonna, since that's pretty much where I did add, I'll wait for the break and then take some profit. Okay, pull back below. What's the low of this candle? Is 445. I don't want to see any lower candles. The low of the last 1 minute candle is 445, so that's now our new stop. Our buy price is 435, so we'll get at least $1,000 out of this trade. So we're looking at this, just watching this for the retake of 470, 475. I want to see it retap that. So when we get these highs and then it pulls back, it's there we go. Want to we tried it. Will we get it this time? Take 5,000 off there, just for the potential pullback. We're still in for 5,000. Don't get me wrong. This is turning out to be a very good day. So very good day. This is turning out to be a very good day indeed. So we went big. We went big to get the initial stake on this for the break of high of day, and now we're still in for 5,000. So my next ad is at $5. So our current average cost is 435. My next ad is currently at 480. So my next ad is $5 for the break of $5. Break $5, and that's my next ad. So currently 9,000 up on the day, 8,900 up on the day. A good day by all standards. We had a bad day yesterday. We finished 10,000 down. If I quit right now where this trade is, then that puts us at having eliminated that drawdown. So actually, was it 10,000 or was it 8,000? I can't remember. It was 8,000. It was 8,000, not 10. It was 10,000 at one stage, but we managed to get some back. So yeah, 8,000 down yesterday. So we only had a 24-hour drawdown. We've already covered that, and then some. So right now, back down to 470s. I want to see it hold at 475. Use that as support. That range, give or take 5 or 6 cents. I want to see it hold there, and then move back up and retest $5. I will add at $5. This is good trading. Enjoying this momentum. It's a very. I'm just wary that it could flush because it's very extended at the moment. If I look at the 5 minute chart, it opened with a red candle and it's had one other red candle since the market opened. An hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago, 2.5 hours ago. So this is very extended. I'm expecting at some stage to hit a period of consolidation, an extended period of consolidation. We've not really had that. We've been retesting the highs, well, 15 minute, not the 5. Okay. We have had a couple of pullbacks. That's all right. Not as extended as it looked. I was looking at the 15 minute chart instead of the 5. My bad. Go figure. Call me a professional. I don't think so. Oh, 490s, up in the 490 area. Break $5. I will look to add to my position. We're currently our buy average cost is 435, so we're in a very good position right now. I'm just going to set my stop at 450 now. Got 15 cents on there for 5. At least getting 15 cents profit. Gives it a bit of wiggle room to consolidate before going back to test $5. 450 and I'll get out. I'm happy with this trade the way it is right now, but I don't want it to break $5 and then go on and end up testing $6, $7 kind of thing. I'm out. Okay, so it's broke 450, so I just got out there. All in all, 6,650 on that particular ticker for the day. We finished the day 9,388 up. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic day. Tomorrow's a new day, and we'll be back at it again. So here we go.